Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in Capcut PC in the easiest way possible. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All right, guys, I have already imported the video we will use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline and start the tutorial. Now select the video and click right here on the ratio. Now you can change the aspect ratio of the video. You can change it into a real, like a 9.16 ratio. And also you can try different aspect ratios if you want, and you can customize the aspect ratio as well. That's how you can change the aspect ratio in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if you want to know how to add transitions in Capcut PC, then watch this. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.